on, shoo. Nothing scares you, huh? Boy. This is the second remote alarm system that I've put on the bird feeder. And for the most part, most of the squirrels don't seem to like it, so I'll say it's been a success so far. Here's what it sounds like. Pretty loud. This is how I attach it to the roof of the bird feeder. I put some Velcro strips and they stick pretty good. And on the bottom I attach some Velcro and it attaches pretty easy. There we go, all done. So let's go try this. There it goes. Didn't like it. Don't go away mad. If the squirrel gets on the feeder without tripping the alarm, if I see it, I just go ahead and press this button and that usually scares it away. Not all the time, but usually. And if the squirrel is unfortunate enough to set off the alarm, it will get a warning, and if it does not heed that warning,